Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best way to dispose of cooking oil and grease. Let the oil or grease cool and solidify. Once cool and solid, scrape the grease into a container that can be thrown away. When your container is full, place it in a plastic bag to prevent leakage and then throw it in the garbage.
Let's help you make your mark.
However, vegetable oil, in mist form, is known to be listed as an OSHA 29 CFR 1910.1000 air contaminant. Occupational exposure limits are subsequently provided in Section 8 of this SDS. Hazard status: no food ingredients are hazardous according to OSHA criteria.
Take our lead.
Cooking oil collection services, such as Olico, help businesses to recycle their waste cooking oil to produce biofuels, which can be used to replace fossil fuels used for transport. Fuels made from cooking oils are also favorable to crop-based biofuels, which only produce carbon savings of around 50 to 60%.
Take our lead.
Yes, we do recycle the used cooking oil from our kitchens into biodiesel, which is then used to fuel around 42% of our delivery fleet. However, due to more efficient frying vats, the amount of used cooking oil our restaurants recycle has actually decreased over time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Health and Safety Code Section 25250.4 requires that used oil be managed as a hazardous waste in California unless it has been recycled and is shown to meet the specifications for recycled oil in Health and Safety Code Section 25250.1 (b), or qualifies for a recycling exclusion under Health and Safety Code Section.
Take our lead.
Most cooking oils, except canola oil, will solidify once left to cool. Allow the pan and oil to cool down before wiping with paper towel, ensuring any excess oil has been absorbed, then disposing of the towels in the rubbish bin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.